the smiling captain on a sinking ship. Hello, this is one shot to the future. Think positive. Everything will be fine. This is the most dangerous advice you can give to a drowning person. Imagine a captain of a sinking ship. Instead of fixing the hole, he smiles and says, "Don't worry. The ocean loves us. Just manifest safety. What happens? Everybody dies." This is what toxic positivity does to your life. Blind optimism is not a mindset. It is delusion. It blinds you to the red flags and dangers that are about to destroy you. Hope is not a strategy. Many people confuse hope with strategy. You start a business with zero market research and say, "I have a good feeling about this." That is not entrepreneurship. That is gambling. The world doesn't care about your good vibes. The market is cold, brutal, and mathematical. If you ignore the negative indicators because you want to stay positive, you are choosing to be blind. Real optimism is seeing the hell in front of you and walking through it, not pretending the hell doesn't exist. Be paranoid, not positive. Andrew Grove, the legendary CEO of Intel, famously said, "Only the paranoid survive." Successful people are not happy-go-lucky optimists. They are constructive pessimists. They always ask, "What if this fails? What is the worst-case scenario?" They prepare for the storm while the sun is shining. While the positive thinkers are dancing in the field, the paranoids are building bunkers. When the storm comes, and it always comes, the dancers die and the bunker builders survive. Face the brutal facts. Stop sugarcoating reality. If your bank account is empty, don't say, "I am rich in spirit." Admit, "I am broke," and get angry. That anger will drive you to fix it. Delusion feels good, but truth makes you strong. Take off the rose-colored glasses. Look at the reality. Fix the hole in your ship before you smile. In the next video, we will talk about the illusion of perfectionism. Perfection is procrastination. Thank you. This was one shot to the future.